If you're looking to jump into cryptocurrencies right now, you can't fail to have noticed that besides Bitcoin, it's Solana that's getting all the attention in 2025, and for good reason. So today, let's go through the simple steps needed to buy some Solana for the first time, along with what you can actually do with it after you buy it. But before we walk through that simple process, let's quickly recap why Solana has been in the spotlight so much recently. And let's highlight some of the big key stats that we've been seeing on chain. So why is Solana so damn hyped up right now? Basically, Solana is one of the most easy to use blockchains out there. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's built up insane network effects over the past couple of years, meaning that it keeps attracting developers, it keeps attracting users, it keeps attracting money, apps, all the stuff. It's a very well-known coin, and it's very well known for being the home of meme coins, with apps like Pump.Fun making it incredibly easy to deploy new tokens. Literally anybody can do it, but it also has AI tokens, a rapidly expanding decentralized finance ecosystem, and much more beyond that. And Solana got an additional boost this month when none other than President Donald J. Trump launched his own damn meme coin over on Solana, which rapidly reached a $15 billion market cap. Crazy stuff. And that token was quickly followed by a token from Melania Trump that one didn't go so well. So it's safe to say Solana is on a lot of people's radars now, okay? And it has been for a while. It has been the main meme coin casino, but it's much more than just that. But if you want to get involved with Solana's ecosystem, you need some Solana. And just to get up some stats here to back all this up, Solana now has a total value lock. That means the amount of money sitting in decentralized finance and stuff like that of $12 billion. Well, the network has sometimes been taking almost 3/4 of the daily crypto app revenue. That's insanity. The SOL token itself recently hit a new all-time high, putting it at $129 billion market cap and $295 per Solana token. There are plenty of options out there today for buying your first Solana, but we're going to look at how to buy it on the Bitunix exchange. Okay, so this is an exchange that allows you to basically sign in from anywhere. No KYC needed, no VPNs needed, just start your account. It's pretty easy to do. So there are plenty of options out there for buying your first Solana. But today we're going to look at how to do it on the Bitunix exchange. There's a link down below if you'd like to get signed up to Bitunix. You'll also get an exclusive deposit bonus by doing that, so go check it out. So how do we buy Solana? First, you need to go to the Bitunix app, which is on desktop or mobile, and sign up for an account. Link down below. You can actually use Bitunix without completing KYC, but in that case, you're going to need to transfer crypto across from another wallet. So if you have some Bitcoin or USDT sitting on Ethereum, you can send it over to Bitunix, start trading, start buying Solana. You can't buy crypto with fiat, though, without doing KYC. So if you're buying crypto, you're going to need to do identity verification. So to do that, hover over your profile icon, click on KYC. If you then click on the basic verification verify button, you'll need to have a photo of your ID ready, such as a passport, give your personal details, and then wait for approval when everything is completed, which in practice should not take very long for you to do. After KYC, you can then purchase crypto directly through either the mobile app or the web browser-based exchange. Although Bitunix actually uses third-party providers to do this, okay? Now, if you want to buy, hover over the Buy Crypto tab, select third party. You can then enter how much to pay and in what currency. Select Solana, SOL, as the coin to receive. You can then select your payment method, for example, Visa, and the service provider with Coinify or MoonPay on offer, and it makes sense to simply pick the one offering the best deal. You then need to just click on buy, go through a regular online payment process like you would for buying literally anything else on the internet, and it's basically that easy. From there, then, let's look at what you can do. So congratulations, you've got your Solana, okay? It's there, it's sitting in your Bitunix account now, just like buying something regularly on the internet, but super easy. But now that you have your SOL, what are we gonna do? Well, the first option is just to hold on to your coins. Just leave them sitting on Bitunix, put a price to sell higher. Simple. As Solana is a strong token with a lot of attention around it right now, very importantly, because we're in a bull market, this makes sense. It's a great coin to be trading as well. Lots of nice volatility for selling high, rebuying back lower. Gains are, of course, not guaranteed. but there's a good probability that Solana goes up in price this year. So you can simply buy it, hold, sell later for more. Simpler, easier said than done, let's say, but that's the main idea. In this case, though, make sure you do have an exit plan. You gotta think about when will I sell and for what price, and make sure that you actually take profits while they're on the table, because markets can turn really fast. It's crypto, it's high risk. One thing that's been true about every cryptocurrency bull market so far is that its violent moves up can reverse much quicker. So don't get caught in the kind of bull market euphoria that stops you from hitting the sell button. Okay, remember, it's just a bull market, you're not a genius. Alternatively, you might want to take your Solana off of Bitunix to explore what's happening on chain, which is where you can find some really interesting early coins that might make you much bigger returns than Solana. To do that, you can download the Phantom wallet, transfer your coins across, and you'll then be able to trade meme coins and NFTs on platforms like Jupiter or Magic Eden, or use decentralized exchanges like Drift or lending markets like Camino Finance. Lots of stuff to do. This can all be very interesting and also potentially very, very profitable, but also risky. On-chain trading is volatile and kind of chaotic, and attention spans are extremely short in this market. That being said, though, being on-chain can give you a massive edge. In the case of the Trump token, for example, on-chain traders were able to get in super early, what was under $1 billion market cap, well ahead of buyers over on centralized exchanges. They were able to take full advantage of the token's huge early price gains, and they made millions in some cases. Finally, do note that Bitunix also offers futures trading. This means that you can trade with leverage, including on several top meme coins from the Solana ecosystem, things like Dog with Hat or Popcat. In some cases, leverage goes up to 125x, which you definitely do not need. You're probably good with like 2 or 3x, to be honest. Just keep putting that out there for you. Now, trading on leverage means that you can control a larger position and amplify your gains. You can also take a short position if you think the market's going to go down, which of course will amplify your losses too if the market moves up and you were wrong. You might even get completely liquidated by using leverage, so you should always use a stop loss. Okay, but it's also a great way to trade. I like trading Solana, for example, on low leverage, 2, 3x, 4x, nothing crazy. It's risky trading at all, certainly on leverage, but it can be worth it. And if you want to get familiar with it, it's something that's a very popular thing to do. Okay, it's something beyond just hodling your tokens and waiting. If you do choose to do margin trading, though, then please, again, keep that leverage low. Single digits here, folks. At least while you're learning the ropes. If you want to take more risk later, that's on you. But until you get successful and start trading regularly with success, keep your leverage low, if at all. Also, we talked about buying Solana, but don't forget the value of stable coins like USDT, which you can swap for on Bitunix. So when you make a profit, consider taking a good portion off the table into USDT stable coins. Don't just keep rolling the dice on the next coin. You gotta take money out at some point. Or you can swap like this anytime you feel unsure about where the market's heading next. Maybe you think market's about to crash, you wanna exit your positions, move into stable coins. Just chill in stables until you get a clearer view about the good next move in the market. That's totally fine. You can just be fluid, man. It's easy. Also, Solana can be staked for passive rewards. You can't do this on Bitunix itself, but you can actually do this if you move your tokens over into the Phantom wallet. You can stake them there, or you can use a protocol such as Jito and get even more enhanced rewards. And this is also a good idea to get a better understanding of the Solana ecosystem and participate in that ecosystem more deeply. Figure out how it all works, how it all fits together. Whatever your approach, though, do not go too far out along the risk curve, or at least for your risk, right? For some people, getting in those meme coins and stuff, that's a risk they're willing to take. They love going down to the casino and throwing some money on black. For a lot of you guys, it's probably more risk than you're willing to take. So just stick to the fundamental stuff, some Solana, some of the big market cap decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, Radium, these kind of tokens. You might look at Camino and Drift and Jito and Marinade. This is the really fundamentally important stuff on the Solana network. The meme coins, most of them are flash in the pans and they don't last super long. Let's just put it that way. Anyway, have fun. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. And thanks for watching.